Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to blend data on Looker Studio. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Looker Studio web app and sign in using your account's credentials. Once you're signed in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Looker Studio. So now that we're here, let's go over that. So blending data in Looker Studio allows you to bring multiple data sources together into one unified view. For example, you could combine Google Analytics with Google Ads to see how ad spend translate into website conversions. Okay, so this is how to do it step by step. First, log into your Looker Studio and select the report that you want to blend your data or create a brand new one by clicking the blank report button. Let me go back and open up this. Now, at the top of the report, I'm heading over to edit, so I have to be in edit mode. Now, at the top of the report, go ahead and click on add data. And once you click on that, from the connector list, choose your data source. For instance, you might pick Google Analytics or Google Ads. Now, once you do that, click add for each source and they'll appear in your reports data panel. Now, I do not have a Google Analytics account, which is very much accurate. So I'm going to cancel that. I also do not have a Google, I don't have a Google, okay, I have a Google Sheet account. So you can just go ahead and click on authorize because you need to authorize that. And just follow the prompt to authorize. So you have to sign in with Google before this can be done. It's saying that they cannot find any, okay. Open from Google Drive. Okay, so all right, so let's say that you have some items. I don't have an item in Google Sheet, right? But let's say you have some items and it's there. The next thing you need to do is just go ahead and click on add. Now repeat this for each source and they'll appear in the report data panel. It's just going to appear in the report data panel. So once it enters, go to the toolbar at the top of your report and click on resource and select manage blend. And once you click on that, then just go ahead and select add a blend. And once you tap on the add a blend button, in the blend editor, select the tables you want to combine. Okay, so just go ahead and select the tables that you want to combine. Each table represents a data source. Example, table 1 could be Google Analytics, sessions, users, conversions, and table 2 could be Google Ads like clicks, cost, and impressions. So just go ahead and select like a table name. You do that and just maybe join another table and combine the table. And that's how. So blending works by connecting the two data sources through a common key. Now, of course, once you're done, you can add a blending name and click on save and just go ahead and close. Blending works by connecting the two data sources through a common key called a join key. Now, this could be date, campaign name, or landing page. All right, it's basically a field that exists in both tables. Drag and drop the common field into the join key section. Now, once the join is defined, select the metrics and dimensions you want from each table. For instance, from analytics, it could be sessions and conversions. From ads, it could be clicks and cost. Now, go ahead and click on save, which I showed you to create your blended data source. Now, when you create a chart or table in your report, select this blended data source to see insights across both platforms together. Add a table or chart to your report and use your new blended data source. Adjust the join keys or included metrics if the data doesn't align as expected. And that's it. So go about this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.